Most of our vintage customers prefer to use factory fuel systems on their cars, be that the fuel injection or the original side drafts, Strombergs or SUs. They do have some basic shortcomings to them that can be expensive to fix, and so sometimes people find themselves facing the option of changing to a less expensive and more reliable fuel system. It's a 50-year-old car. That's what's going to happen sometimes. We have the Weber downdraft carburetor set up for this. It's a 2-barrel progressive downdraft carburetor. It fits on pretty much any B18 or B20 car all the way through the 60s and into the 70s. These kits are fairly easy to bolt on. Now keep in mind that even though you can bolt the kit on, that no two cars jet exactly the same, and so after you install the kit you will need to spend time and effort and possibly find somebody to help you jet the car and tune the car to run correctly for your exact setup. This could actually take dyno time depending on how close you want to get it. Keep in mind that this kit will install with a separate exhaust manifold, and the exhaust manifolds come in different thicknesses, so you need to get the exhaust manifold that's correct to go with this kit. If you have a one-piece manifold setup where your intake and exhaust manifolds are combined, then you will either need to find a different exhaust manifold, an exhaust header, or you will need to cut your old manifold into pieces so that you can use it. This can be a complicated install, and it dissuades some people from actually doing this job. If you do want to attempt this install yourself and you know a little bit about jetting and tuning cars, we do carry jet kits on the shelf. These kits are normally available on our site at ipdusa.com.